In this quick video, we'll learn how to use Enum.find to find values inside of lists and other Elixir enumerables. First, let's find a simple value in an enumerable which passes a test function. If the value isn't found, nil is returned. Using Elixir's function capture operator, we can simplify this a bit if we want. If you need to find the index of a value, you can use Enum.find index. Sometimes we don't want to find the value itself, but instead want to transform it somehow. Enum.find value will return the result of the test function instead of the original value. Find also works with maps and keyword lists. The test function will receive a tuple containing the key and the value. Once again, we can use Enum.find value if we're only interested in the value instead of the key value tuple.